Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Friends tiny accessory store. Oh, so cute. It may be tiny but it's full of stuff. $10. I found it in Kmart. You can find it in Big W as well. Now Candy, the lady that works there, she reminds me of Camilla. Camilla, Candy, same type of hair. Maybe all these girls have like a franchise in little shops. But anyway, let's take a look at this because this looks gorgeous and the colours of this are marvellous and the stickers, everything about it. So we're going to tear it open and see what we get. So 2 bags here, no numbers on them. 129 pieces, but I'm loving the look of these stickers. So there's all the accessories you can buy, a self-serve checkout, and you can't see me there in the mirror, thank goodness. And let's take a look at the little instruction booklet. There's Candy first up, Paisley, she's got a purple bum bag. Oh, the 90s theme is back. I've noticed that everywhere I go at the shops actually. Oh, I can't wait to build Ollie and Paisley's house and all the other sets. I do like the look of this. Yeah, it's really cute. How many steps? 49, 50? I think there's about 51 steps. They haven't labelled this one, but yeah, so not too difficult to build. I cannot wait to get a bum bag. Alrighty, let's build. Candy, the shop assistant or owner, is up first and loving that top with the mesh there. We've got a little love heart chain happening. Loving her gold belt. Her face is gorgeous. I love it. So she's wearing Leanne's pants as well that Leanne's been wearing, but I'm loving her hairstyle. The pigtails with the side sort of fringe. We are going to give her a lipstick to hold because she's going to be painting someone's lips later on, I think, or maybe herself, I don't know. Paisley, and she skittered. She was, I guess, in a hurry to show off her top that came in the pancake shop, but I am going to pop this bum bag on her straight away. I want to see how these look like on the mini dolls. A little bit fiddly to get on, but there we go. Look at that. I love that accessory. I'm glad we get 2 spares in this set, and I need to cover her eyes slightly. There we go. She will be holding her mobile phone, getting ready to pay for all the cool accessories. Now I am ditching my skirt and I'm going to start wearing a bum bag. The 90s are back. Beginning with the little cabinets that hold all the accessories and the little bum bags on top. So Paisley's already excited about purchasing one. She's going to pop it on and oh my goodness, that looks so good. I'm actually really glad that this accessory store is more like a little shop and it's not on wheels. So I'm liking the design of this. I love the colours. And here's a full-length mirror going on so you can look at yourself, and I think that's like a little hamster on the bottom. I don't know, he's so cute. And this will be the self-serve checkout. So they're putting in all the modern shopping facilities in. Loving the stickers there on the walls. For such a tiny little shop, I think there's quite a lot of detail in here. I'm loving the look of this. Love the colours. Love it opens up. Let's continue building. Time to pop the little sign on here to show what we are selling in this little shop. Popping the little cabinet inside. Look at this. That looks really, really cute. I thought I'd borrow the puppy van from last year and try and pop the accessory store on the back. Fits okay. It's not meant for it, but you can do that in your city. Okay, I've relocated it over here. I'm opening it up. Candy's come along, and Paisley I think wants to try on the red lipstick colour. Very, very cute set. Yeah! The Lego Friends Tiny Accessory Store. Set worth getting, great accessories. The fact that you get 2 extra bum bags, bonus. $10, you can find it in Kmart Big W. Definitely worth getting, and I think I might get a few more for the mini dolls and the accessories. So everyone, get your bricks out.